guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you these clip-ins from the brand CurlsCurls. So this is their kinky curly texture clip-ins, and they are in the length 14 inches, and this is supposed to be like a new type of like seamless weft where it's not really noticeable or anything when you are putting your clip-ins in. So as you guys can see, I left out a little section of my hair, and that section of hair I'm going to be using as kind of like a quote-unquote leave-out section. So as you guys can see, there's different clips, and this one I believe is the 5 weft clip, and then I'm just going to be starting with the 2 weft. So you always want to start with the 2 clips first on the very back of your head because it makes it easier. And what I'm doing is I'm just putting it clipped right directly onto my braids. Like, this works perfectly. I wish I knew about this method back in like, what was it, like 2015 when I first started wearing clip-ins. Like, clip-ins were like my first go-to. Okay, so now I'm taking a 3 clip weft, and I'm going to put that on top. You guys are going to kind of get the gist of what I'm doing. But when I used to do clip-ins, I was leaving out some of my real hair and trying to blend, and it would be a hot mess. But you know, these kind of tutorials weren't on YouTube back in the day, so you live and you learn. I had to do it the hard way back in like, you know, actually that was probably like 2014, you know, had to do it the hard way. So I'm taking another 3 clip weft. But yeah, I had some curly clip-ins back in the day, and I was trying to like do a braid out with my real hair to blend in with the clip-ins I had, and it just used to be a hot mess. But this method is so much easier. Like, your hair is basically in a protective style underneath. All you have to do is braid your hair and then clip them on. So next I'm taking the 4 clip weft, and I'm going to snap that right on. And you can actually start to space them out more so that they're not as close together. As you can see, like, I kind of spaced it out on that next one because they don't need to be that close together. And also with this hair, you can like pick it out if you want it bigger. I don't really care for super big hair, so I'm not going to do that. So yeah, on this side I just did the 2 weft so that it's easier. You know, the sides, you guys kind of get the idea as you watch. It's very hard to explain, but it makes sense. Now I'm taking the 4 clips, placing it around. So that's all you need, is like that many, and it's so easy, like very easy install. I'm just situating it comfortably to my head, but it's really enough for the whole head. Like, this is a very nice texture. CurlsCurls has very affordable hair as well, so that's something I love about them. I've shown you guys them on my channel before, and this is just a good alternative if you like wearing clip-in extensions. And so I was just showing you guys I still had a little bit left over, so it's like I could use those other 2 that I had left over if I wanted a fuller look, but I didn't really care for that. So just so you know, you could possibly have some left over depending on what kind of look you're going for. So I'm just taking that leave out I have, and I'm going to spray it because I need my curls to go ahead and revert back. I had it in braids, so it stretched out, but I'm going to spray some water so that it can revert back and we can get it blending into our clip-in extensions. This is such an easy look. Like, I put these clip-ins on so fast, and I'm just ready to go for the day. So I really love this about CurlsCurls. And of course, you guys know I will have all the information in the description box below. They are amazing brands, so definitely check them out for like natural hair wigs and stuff. So I'm just taking this little styling gel that I have, and I'm going to rake that through my hair. And when I'm raking, I'm like raking my own real hair into the clip-ins so that it starts to, you know, blend more. And I like that I don't even have to leave out a lot of my real hair for this to look blendable. And like I said, this is the kinky curly texture, so I highly recommend going for a texture that mimics your natural texture so that blending it is a breeze and you're not like struggling to get 2 different textures of hair to look good. So yeah, I'm going ahead, raking. And another thing I love about this, since it is natural hair, like I could do a braid out with this hair, I could do a twist out with this hair. There's so many different looks that you can do with some clip-ins. Like, they used to really be my go-to back in the day. Like, you could even straighten these if you want to, because at the end of the day, it's some human hair. So love that. So this is kind of like what it's looking like, but I usually do like to kind of do like a slick part in the front, so you're gonna see me do that in a second. So I'm just brushing the side, and I'm gonna tuck my real hair into the back. So if you're kind of noticing like your real hair isn't blending as much with the clip-ins as you would like to, I sometimes just, when I'm wearing clip-ins, I will just, you know, slick the hair back, and then we look nice and seamless. So that's a look you can definitely do. But definitely love this hair. I'm going to go ahead and lay my baby hairs. You know, that always completes the look for me. So I'm going ahead and laying those edges down. And that's the Ala K Naturals Edge Control. That's actually a really, really good edge control. Highly, highly recommend it. But yeah, super simple look. This is the final look. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And check the description box and check out the brand CurlsCurls. Bye, guys.